Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter factorization. In that exercise 14.3, let us see next question, second main. Divide the given polynomials by the given monomial. The first one, five x square minus 6x divided by 3x. So here we can divide this. So because here it is negative symbol is there. So first take anything you are getting common, then divide. So here now 5 x square we can write as x into x minus 6 into x. 6x we can write as 6 into x divided by 3x we can write as 3 into x or 3x only we can write. So which is equals to what is there in these two common now? X. Take that outside. What will remain? 5 into x, 5x minus 6 divided by 3 into x. So x get cancelled. So the answer is 5x minus 6 divided by 3. So next, second question. Three y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6 plus 5y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 4. So you can write as like y raised to 8 as y into y like that 8, or else you can take directly common, that is, so here if you take y raised to 4 common, because here y raised to 4 is there, y raised to 6 is there, y raised to 8. So minimum what is there? Y raised to 4. So take that y raised to 4 common. So 3. So here y raised to 8 is there. We have taken that 4. How much remained? Y raised to 4 minus 4. Here y raised to 6 is there. We have taken 4 common. How much remained? 2. So y square plus 5. Because only 5. Because y raised to 4 we have taken common. So here only remained is 5 divided by y raised to 4. So here y raised to 4, y raised to 4 get cancelled. So what will get the answer? 3 y raised to 4 minus 4y square plus 5. So if you are confusing or if you are not getting means, you can write here y raised to 8 as y into y like that 8 times, and here y raised to 6 as y into y like 6 times, and y raised to 4 as y into y like 4 times, and take the common, you will get the same thing. Next, third one, 8 x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4x square y square z square. Now let us see here. X common is there. In that minimum, what is the C? X square is the minimum. So take that x square as a common. Again, y common is there. Minimum what is there? Y square. So take that one as, here it is, z square. So minimum y square is there, take that outside as a common. Next, Z common is there in that minimum. What is there? Z square. So take that one as a common. Now what will remain? See, they have taken x square common. So in that 3, how much remain? 1. That means x. X will remain. Means x raised to 1. That is x. Y square you have taken common. Z square also you have taken common. So only here remained is x. So here x square you have taken common. Again y square you have taken common. So how much will remain here? Y. Y raised to 1. That is y. And z square also we have taken common. So only remaining is y plus. So here x square we have taken common, y square we have taken common, z square we have taken common. How much will remain? Z raised to 1. That is z. So only z will remain here. So divided by what is there now? 4x square y square z square. So now x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, z square get cancelled. 4 1 the 4 2 the. So the answer is 2 into bracket x plus y plus z. Next, fourth one, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. So now in this, what is the common? Here nothing means 1. So x common is there, in that minimum is x raised to 1. Take that common. X. So here now x cube is there. We have taken x raised to 1 common. How much will remain? X square. Plus 2. Write that 2. Here x square is there. X raised to 1 we have taken common. How much will remain? X raised to 1, that is x. Plus. So here we have taken x as a common. What will remain here? 3. Divided by 2x. So x get cancelled. So what will get here now? X square plus 2x plus 3 divided by 2. Next, fifth one. P cube q raised to 6. P cube means p raised to 3 q raised to 6 minus p raised to 6 q raised to 3 divided by p cube q cube. So now here p common is there. In that minimum, how much is there? P raised to 3. So take that common outside. Q also common is there. In that minimum, what is there? Q raised to 3. Take that common. So now P raised to 3 we have taken common. Nothing will remain in that P. Now Q raised to 6 is there. Only Q raised to 3 we have taken. In that 6, how much will remain? Q raised to 3 minus. So here Q raised to 3 we have taken common. So here Q will remain nothing. So P raised to 6 is there. Only P raised to 3 we have taken common. How much will remain? P raised to 3 divided by P cube Q cube. Means P raised to 3 into Q raised to 3. So P raised to 3 get cancelled. Q raised to 3 get cancelled. So the answer is Q raised to 3 minus P raised to 3. So this is about the solution of second main question. Now let us see next question. Third main. Work out the following divisions. Work out the following divisions. Okay, that first one divided by 5. So here now 10 what you can write, take common, then you can divide that. So take common, so 10 we can write as 2 into 5 into, yes, or else directly also you can take the common. So 10, 9, 25, both is divisible by 5. So take 5 as a common, 10 how much are, sorry, 5 how much are 10, 5 2s, you will get 2x, and 5 how much are 25, 5 5s, like that also you can do. Or else as usual method you can do. So here now minus 25 you can write as 5 into 5 divided by 5. So which is equals to, in these two common is 5. So what will remain, 2 into x, 2x minus 5 divided by 5. So 5 get cancelled. So the answer is 2x minus 5. Next, in that second one, 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So same question. So 10x we can write as 2 5s are 10 into x minus 25 you can write as 5 into 5 divided by 2x minus 5. So which is equals to, in these two common is 5, take that outside, what will remain, 2 into x, 2x minus here it will remain 5 divided by 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 get cancelled. So the answer is 5. Next, third one, 10y into bracket 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into bracket 2y plus 7. Let us see here. Okay, 10y. So here take the common. In these two we are getting common as a 3. So 6 we can write as 2 into 3 into y plus 21 we can write as 3 7s are 21. So divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So now 10y, in these two common is 3. So take that outside, into 3 bracket, what will remain? 2 into y, 2y plus, what will remain here? 7 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. So 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 get cancelled. So now here 5 1s are, 5 2s are. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into y, 6y. So the answer is 6y. Next, fourth one. 9x square y square into bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy into bracket 27xy into bracket z minus 8. Z minus 8. So which is equals to 9x square y square. Now take in these two common. Means 3z we can write as 3 into z minus 24 we can write as 3 into 8 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. So which is equals to, so here 9 x square we can write as x into x, y square we can write as y into y. And here what will common 3. Take that outside into 3. What will remain? Z minus 8 divided by 27 into x into 1 into z minus 8. So here z minus 8 get cancelled. Next, x get cancelled. 1y get cancelled. Next, 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. 9 1s are 9 1s are get cancelled. What remains here now? See, x into 1. That is x1. Next, fifth question. 16 ABC into bracket, so 96 ABC into bracket 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into bracket a minus 4 b minus 6. So here it is 96 ABC. So in these to take common, what you will get common? C 3a we can write as 3 into a minus 12 we can write as 3 into 4. And here also take common, 5 we can write as 5 into b minus 30 we can write as 5 into 6, 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. So 96 ABC. So in these two common is 3, take that outside. So what will remain? A minus 4. In these two common is 5, so take that outside. So what will remain? B minus 6 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into bracket b minus 6. So a minus 4 ones get cancelled, b minus 6 ones get cancelled. Next, so here it is. So 12 ends up 96, and here it is 12 12s are 144. Next, 3 1s are 3 4s are. So what do you get the answer now? So again 4 1s are 4 2s are, means 2 into 5 10, 10 into ABC 10 ABC. So this is about the solution of what? Third main question. So let us take fourth question as your homework. Just already they are given everything. You need to just cancel. You need to cancel the numerator and denominator and write the answer. That's it. So take that one as your homework. We'll see the next question. Okay, dear students, let us see next question. Fifth main. So factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. So in that first one, y square plus 7y plus 10. Y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So in the previous exercise, we have already studied that how to express or how to factorize this type of expression. So first factorize this one separately. Let us see here. Take here y square plus 7y plus 10. So here it is constant term, that is number. How much is there? 10. That is plus 10. Now find the two numbers such that if you multiply you should get 10, and if you add, here it is the symbol or the sign which represents us that what we need to do. So now if you multiply you should get 10, and if you add you should get 7. Plus 7. What are the two numbers? 5 2s are 10. If you add, you should get how much? Plus 7. That is plus 5 plus 2. That means if you add plus 5 plus 2, you will get plus 7. And if you multiply 5 into 2, you will get plus 10. So these two are the numbers. Now factorize this. What you will get? See. So y square, just write like that only. 7y you can write as plus 5y plus 2y plus 10. So here it is y square we can write as y into y plus 5y we can write as 5 into y plus 2y we can write as 2 into y plus 10 we can write as 2 into y. Now take common from two terms. So in these two terms, what you will get common? Y. What will remain here? Y plus. So here it is plus. Plus, here what will remain? 5. Y plus 5. Plus, in these two, what is the common? 2. What will remain? Y plus, here it is 5. Now in these two common is y plus 5. So take that outside. Y plus 5, and what will remain here? Y plus 2. That means we can factorize y square plus 7y plus 10 as y plus 5 into y plus 2. So now write that. What we can write here now? So y square plus 7y plus 10 we can write as y plus 5 into y plus 2 divided by what is there? Y plus 5. So y plus 5 was the y plus 5 was the get cancelled. So the answer is what? Y plus 2. So the answer is y plus 2. So this is how you need to factorize this fifth main questions. Okay, try to solve those homeworks and take the remaining questions also. These fifth question remaining questions also as your homework. Try those. We will continue in the next class.